Okay. I hope you all are still with me here. I had to switch to a video. I'm going to publish this when I'm done. The signal was horrible, and the Wi-Fi was giving me issues. My security settings were giving me issues, not the Wi-Fi itself. But just wanted to do a quick walk through the second half of the design district. This is the Palm Court area. The sculpture in the middle is actually a stairwell to the parking garage down below. So it is a functional piece of sculpture. Another cool thing about the design district is the multiple levels of just these little escalators that take you up and down. I mean, the experience, the shopper's experience here is second to none. It's visual, it's textural.
By the way, ex-Miami.
All the senses. Incorporating all the senses.
Well, yeah, but here's the thing. By the time they got yesterday's price,
There are about 3 different blocks through downtown that have. I've not been this way, so let's go this way. It's beautiful GT. If you're a car person, this is your vibe. The luckiest guys on the planet there. A whole array of cars to park. And not have to worry about the insurance, the what have you, right? Perhaps that's ideal. Not have to worry about vandals or anything, or getting it stolen. Just hop in, drive it, hop out, bring it back later. Tom Ford store, Louis Vuitton store. The video is actually working out better than the live. The live was just too choppy. Let's walk this way. Store across the street, obviously Louis Vuitton. But that store over there is the Flight Club. All the vintage Nikes, all the rare Nike Jordans and all those. Do the district, do shopping, do culture, do wellness, do delicious. Miami Design District. All right. How about that? So this is what I was trying to capture alive, but you can see it now as we walk by. This is the sculpture garden. Initially built to celebrate the opening of the Louis Vuitton men's store here, but it has become a memorial of sorts to Virgil Abloh, Louis Vuitton creative director. Passed away suddenly at early 40s. Life, larger than life. And they have this chess set. Over here. Virgil Abloh loved chess. And this is sort of a tribute to him. To that. Life-size chess pieces. A chessboard. You can sit here with these figures. Look at that. Fascinating. So this solo cup sculpture, this massive solo cup, crunched solo cup. This is by Paula Crown. This is this stays here. The Louis Vuitton pieces are here temporarily, but this piece is always here. It's why it has the story for it. Story behind it. Again, all of the sights and sounds. On a slightly overcast day, clouds have been blowing in and out pretty regularly, but the breaks of sun have been magnificent. Happen to be in a rather cloudy spot right now. We'll go down to see the Museum of Contemporary Art. Very clean here. This store still celebrates Christmas. It's very Christmassy. Veronica Beard. Pretty designs. Pardon my fashion faux pas among the... over here. That's the Tesla store. I'll buy a Tesla. I think Tom wanted to buy a Tesla, so Tom, there you go, you're all set. Rag and Bone. Now you have to cross the street here to appreciate this facade on this parking garage for the Can I go wide here? Yes, I can.
Yes.
Again, this part two is just going to be a quick walk back through the district. There are some other areas to explore, but we'll save that for another time. I have an appointment here. So this is the parking garage for the Institute of Contemporary Art. There it is. These are the exhibits on display. Free admission. Sponsored by City National Bank. Oh, Wednesday through Sunday. So they'll open tomorrow. I was like, why does it say closed? This is their parking garage. Let's check it out again. Pretty fancy. So guys, thanks for sticking with me. Sorry I couldn't get into the live for the second part. I guess, I don't know, the signal just was not cooperating today. But there's a lot of communication, wireless communication, security, obviously, for good reason, for the high-end brands and the clientele that frequent those shops. So a lot of times when there's a lot of wireless communication, like people with headsets and other things and all that concrete, tends to interrupt the signal. Wi-Fi was a little bit better, but once the Wi-Fi began cooperating, then YouTube began requesting verification, and then got stuck in processing. So I just said, let's go record it and see how we do. So this is the outskirts of the design district. Just up ahead is the Midtown Miami, Midtown section, neighborhood. And then over and then to the west is Wynwood. The famous Wynwood. Try and cross the street without being struck. Did my ratings go up? I've got hit. No, they would not. Another YouTuber would just replace me. So, here we go. This is a Pez Barcelona wall mural. Love his characters. Great guy. Just as fun as his characters. Just as good-hearted. Good-natured, kind-hearted. I love pieces like this that are walkable. They look like lamps here. The majority of this mural, before it was tagged over and pasted over, was done for one of the Art Basels. I want to say 2019, maybe, by the artist Abstract, ABSTRK, I believe. Oh, that's how you spell it. I believe that's his. That's what I'm saying. Definitely how you spell it. I believe that this was his mural, this piece. On that happy note, I will end this video and this tour. Oh, the neighborhood's back there. This tour of the design district. again, tune in. I hope the part one did not buffer too much. I'll check it out, and perhaps we'll just have to do another walkthrough again on a very, very sunny day, and enjoy all the sights, sounds, and other shenanigans that take place at the Miami Design District. So for now, everybody, thank you for joining me. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Have a great day.